Welcome to the video guide on managing Product Easy View, a tool that enhances your web store's efficiency. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to enable the Product Easy View option and explore its features for streamlined product management. Let's begin. After installing the Product Easy View module, go to the Products Catalog and Products Brands Categories tab. On the product listing page, choose the product you want to explore. Click the Easy View button for a detailed overview. Explore important supplier information in the Supplier Details tab, current pricing and price matching. Edit preferred suppliers, view discounts from suppliers, surcharges and margins, and add notes. Under the Product Details tab, specify product identifiers and quantities. View sales history, shopping cart, and stock details. Using this tool, you can take advantage of the detailed insights into supplier and product information. Thank you for watching, and happy managing with Product Easy View.